Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to see in exercise 3.3 question number 2. Exercise 3.3 question number 2. Show that the equation (12x² minus 10xy plus 2y² plus 14x minus 5y plus 12 equal to 0 represents a pair of straight lines and also find the separate equations of the straight lines. Say once again, I'm going to read the question. Show that the equation 12x² minus 10xy plus 2y² plus 14x minus 5y plus 2 equal to 0 represents a pair of straight lines. How we have to say it represents a pair of straight lines? The given equation should satisfy the condition. What is that condition? I have discussed already, right? ABC plus 2FGH minus AF² minus BG² minus CH² equal to 0. If you prove that the given equation represents a pair of straight lines, then we want to find the separate equation. So in that separate equation, you have to take these two alone, these three terms alone, right? We have to factorize and then find the separate equation. Got it, children? First, I am going to prove it represents a pair of straight lines. First, given equation, you have to write given equation 12x² minus 10xy plus 2y² plus 14x minus 5y plus 2 equal to 0. What is the general equation of pair of straight line? You have to recall the thing. General equation of pair of straight line is general equation of pair of straight lines is ax² plus 2hxy plus by² plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general equation of pair of straight line. Now you are going to compare the given equation to the general. Given equation to the general. Compare. This one you should represent it as 1. This is your 2. Right? Compare 1 and 2. Compare 1 and 2. How to compare? You have to match coefficient of x² to this. Coefficient of xy. Coefficient of y². Coefficient of x. Coefficient of y constant. Compare. Right? The given you are going to compare with general. What is A? A equal to 12. What is A? A equal to 12. 2 coefficient of x in the given equation is minus 10. In the general is 2h. So 2h equal to minus 10. 2h equal to minus 10 h is equal to minus 5. Next, coefficient of y square in general is b. In the given is 2. Next, coefficient of x in general is 2g. In the given equation is 14. So 2 ones are 2 sevens are. Next, coefficient of y in general is 2f. In the given equation is minus 5. So f equal to minus 5 by 2. Next, constant in the general is c. In the given equation is 2. The given equation is 2. The given line represents a pair of straight lines if it should satisfy the condition I said, right? If, what is that condition? If A, B, C plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square equal to 0. Right? You know the value of A, B, C and F, G, H. You have to substitute in the left hand side. You should arrive the result as 0 means it represents a pair of straight line. Otherwise it does not. Right? Now, what is A? A equal to 12. B equal to 2. C is also 2. Plus 2 into F is minus 5. G 5 by 2. F is minus 5 by 2. G is 7. H value is minus 5. Minus A into, that is 12 into minus 5 by 2 the whole square minus 2 into 7 the whole square minus 2 into minus 5 the whole square equal to, you want to prove this is equal to 0, right? Equal to, right, LHS equal to 12 twos are 24, 48, 2 cancel, 25 sevens are how much? 175 plus 175 minus 12 into 25 divided by 4. 4 ones are, 4 threes are. Next, minus 2 into 49 minus 2 into 25, which is equal to 48 plus 175 minus 75 minus 98 minus 50. You have to add all the things, right? Minus 75 minus 98. What can you get? You see, 48 plus 175. 48 plus 175. 3, remaining 1, 2, 2. 223. 223 minus, see here 75 minus 50. 75 minus 50 minus 125 minus 125 minus 98. Then add 13 remaining 1, 10, 12 remaining 1, 2. So 223, which is equal to 0. Then you put it is equal to RHS. It satisfies the condition. Therefore, it represents pair of straight line. The given line, it represents pair of straight line. Therefore, the given line represents a pair of straight lines. Then they are asking to find out separate equation. For that, you have to consider first three terms alone. What it is? First three terms. Consider 12x square minus 10xy plus 2y square. That portion alone. First three terms of the given equation you have to consider. Now you are going to factorize the same procedure what you learnt in the 10th standard, that is quadratic. Sum equal to minus 10, product equal to 24. Product equal to 24. That means what is the possibility? Sum is negative, product is positive. Sum is negative, product is positive means how can you factorize? You see, right? First, xy is there. So, minus 10, 24, right? Or you can write like this, 12x square. The 10 can be written as minus 6xy minus 4xy plus 2y square. The minus 10, you split and write it as minus 6 minus 4. When you multiply, you will get it as plus 24. When you add, you will get it as minus 10. Now, in both the things, which is common? 6x is common. Then inside the bracket, you write 2x minus y. What you have written here, the same thing you have to write it here also. After that, based on this, you have to select what number it should come here. See here, 4xy is there. If you multiply by 2, you can get it as, right? That is minus. So, minus 2y. You have to check. Minus 2y into 2x, that is minus 4xy. Minus into minus plus, then 2y into y, 2y square. Got it? In both the things, which is common? 2x minus y is common. Then what should be the rest? 6x minus 2y. Have you all understood, children? Right. Now, you are going to add arbitrary constant in the right side in both the format. You did the factorization. After that, you are going to add, right? 12x square minus 10xy plus 2y square plus 14x minus 5y plus 2 equal to 2x minus y plus L into 6x minus 2y plus M. Either you can write this as first and this as second, no problem, right? 6x minus 2y plus M. Got it? Now, you are going to equate the coefficient of x, coefficient of y and the constant. Right? Equating the coefficient of x, y and constant. Right? On both the sides. Here you have to listen carefully, children. See here, coefficient of x. 2x when you multiply with m, you will get it as 2m. Right? 2m. Then, when you multiply L with 6x, you will get it as a coefficient of x. Right? that is 6L equal to 14. Equal to 14. That is equation number 1. Next, coefficient of y. For your easy way, I am explaining like this, right? Coefficient of y. Y you have to multiply with m, then you will get it as, that is minus m minus 2L equal to minus 5. Equal to minus 5. That is equation number 2. Right? Lm equal to constant. That is 2 equal to Lm. 2 equal to Lm. Constant. Right? Now, you have to using the elimination method and find out the value of m and l. Right? Equation 2 is multiplied by 2. So, first equation you should write as such. Second equation you are going to multiply with 2. So, minus 2m minus 4l minus 10. You are going to add the equation. When you add, you will get it as the term m as cancelled here. 2l equal to 4. 2l equal to 4. Then what is L? L equal to 2. L equal to 2. Then you substitute L equal to 2 in this format, that is equation number 3, you can get the value of m. Right? Substitute L equal to 2 in equation 3. Then you get it as 2 equal to 2m, which implies m equal to 1. Which implies m equal to 1. Now, the separate equation. The separate equation of the given line are the separate equations of a given line are 2x minus y, where L value is 2. So, plus 2 equal to 0. Next, 6x minus 2y, your m value is 1. Plus 1 equal to 0. Got it, children? Once again, I am going to repeat. You have to listen carefully. Show that the equation 12x square minus 10xy plus 2y square plus 14x minus 5y plus 2 equal to 0 represents a pair of straight line. And also find the separate equation of the straight line. First you wrote the given equation, right? The given equation you have to write. That is equation number 1 you should represent. Then general equation of pair of straight line. That is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This one you should consider as Roman letter 1. This as Roman letter 2. Right? 1 minute. For your understanding purpose, right? Equation number 2. Here you have to write compare equation 1 and 2. When you compare, how to compare I explained, right? Coefficient of x square in the general to the given. Coefficient of xy in general to the given. coefficient of y square in general to the given equation, coefficient of x in general to the given equation, coefficient of y in general to the given equation, constant in general to the given equation. So I arrived A equal to 12, h equal to minus 5, that is 2h equal to minus 10, b equal to 2, 2g equal to 14, right? 2g equal to 14. 1 minute. 2g equal to 14, g is equal to 7, 2f equal to minus 5, f equal to minus 5 by 2, c is equal to 2. Then you go and substitute in the condition. If it satisfies, the given line represents a pair of straight line. The condition is ABC plus 2FGH minus AX square minus BG square minus CX square equal to 0. Then you have to substitute the value 12 into 2 into 2 plus 2 into minus 5 by 2 into 7 into minus 5 minus 12 into minus 5 by 2 the whole square minus 2 into 7 the whole square minus 2 into minus 5 the whole square. You arrived the number as 48 plus 175 minus 75 minus 98 minus 50. Then 223 minus 223 which is equal to 0, that is our RHS. Therefore, the given straight line represents a pair of straight line. After that, you want to find the separate equation. For that, you have to consider the first three terms, that is 12x square minus 10xy plus 2y square. The basic concept, what you learnt in the quadratic, the same you applied here. Sum equal to minus 10. Coefficient of xy is your sum. Product is coefficient of x square into coefficient of y square. Sum is negative, product is positive. So, possibility 6, 4. Right? Possibility is 6 and 4. So, I took minus 10. I split minus 10 in terms of minus 6y minus 4y. Next, I took 6 as common. I wrote 2x minus y. What I have written here, the same thing you should repeat it here also. Based on that, you want to write the number according to this. Here minus 4xy is there. So, if you multiply by minus 2y only, you can get this answer. So, minus 2y. Then 2x minus y, 6x minus 2y. After that, the given equation, this line equation 2, the factorization format. In that, you should add the constant, that is L and M. After that, equating the coefficient of x, y and constant on both the sides. Coefficient of x, that means 2m. Coefficient of x in the second format as 6L, which is equal to 14 in the left side. Coefficient of y in the left side is minus 5. In the right side, minus m minus 2L. Then apply elimination Lm constant equal to 2. Apply the elimination method, you arrived L equal to 2. Once if you arrive L equal to 2, you have to substitute either in 1 or 2 or 3. If you substitute in 3, it is easy. So I got the value as m equal to 1. Then finally the result, the separate equation of a given line are 2x minus y plus L. So L should be replaced by 2. 6x minus 2y plus m. M should be replaced by 1. Got it, children? To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.